Hey everyone, welcome back to Jamaican Black Stone, where we explore unique and authentic products from all over the world. If you've been wondering where to buy Jamaican Black Stone and want to ensure you're getting the real deal, then this is the video for you. Let's jump right in. Now, not all Jamaican Black Stones are created equal. Some knockoffs are floating around, especially online. Buying authentic Jamaican Black Stone ensures you get the full benefits, so where you buy from really matters. For those looking to buy Jamaican Black Stone directly from a trusted source, I highly recommend checking out the official website, jamaicanblackstone.com. This is a great option for anyone who wants to ensure they're getting 100% authentic Jamaican Black Stone. When buying from this site, you're dealing directly with a certified supplier. Plus, they often have customer reviews and detailed product information to give you extra peace of mind. The link to the official website is also in the description below.